Welcome to this video, which introduces the Titanic dataset. This is real information collected from actual passengers on the Titanic's maiden and only voyage, and is a very famous dataset in the field of data analysis. The aim is to take column B, which records whether or not a passenger survived, and to see to what extent we can predict this outcome using the other information that has been recorded. Overall, we can see that there are a total of 9 columns of data in our dataset. Some of the columns clearly contain numeric data. One example is the age column, but we can see that the fare column also contains numeric information. Some columns, such as the embarked column and the sex column, are clearly categorical data. Before getting stuck in, let's just scroll to the bottom of the dataset to see how many rows we have, which in this case is around 900. Returning to the top, let's now think about how we tidy up this dataset so that it best meets the 6 dimensions of data quality. We'll do this by first taking the sensible step of turning this dataset into a proper Excel table by using keyboard shortcuts. By pressing the Control key and the A key together, we can select all data in our dataset. Then, pressing the Control key and the T key together, we can turn this into an Excel table. We can see that the formatting is then already much easier to read with a 2-tone color scheme to accentuate the rows. Let's focus now on the age column. Glancing up and down shows that there are multiple instances of missing data, which means that this column does not meet the completeness dimension of data quality. We'll want to clean this before beginning to analyze the dataset. By opening the Sort and Filter tool for this column, we can then remove any individual data points, including missing data. We deselect the blanks from this column to filter out these values. This column does now meet the completeness dimension of data quality, and we can then think about addressing other issues with data quality. For example, we might then wish to focus on the fare column and making sure that all data here is consistently formatted.